Did you guys see this? In today's pharmacy news, a South Florida pharmacist is arrested for forging dozens of prescriptions. So many of you have commented that I never talk about the bad pharmacist, so let's finally talk about one. So this is the pharmacist in question, Chandra Thierry. She's facing more than 80 charges, and what's crazy is she was forging doctors' prescriptions for non-controlled substances for herself and her family members. Pharmacy 101 between you and me, if you ever do something like this, companies are tracking this and they will find out and you will get fired and you will go to jail. And they didn't say which non-controlled prescriptions were written, but I'm sorry, writing a fake prescription for your grandmother's blood pressure medication is not worth going to jail for. And what's crazy is she's been a pharmacist since 2004, so like when I was in 5th grade. This is something that she definitely should have known, and I wonder how many years she's actually been doing this.